Hey, what's up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is my workshop, and today we are going to be doing a bit of a scrapping video, and not with the Stripmeister that I have here. That's new, and it's also gonna get shown in a different video. We're gonna do some upgrades to this and get a setup going. What I wanted to show today was this. We just went into Canadian Tire here. I picked up a pair of cable cutters. These are handheld. They were on sale. They were 50% off. They're $14. $15, $14.99, whatever, plus tax, so like probably like $70. Okay, so we've got some cable. See how easy it is to cut with these. You really got to open them up. They cut kind of okay. Anyways, some regular Romex cable. Honestly, it's harder to use these than just to use a pair of wire cutters. If I were to cut this with these, other than the fact that these don't close super nice anymore because I've used them for all kinds of crap. The thing that I wanted to know is, can I cut copper pipe with these? Because I know that larger pairs, ones that have like 20-inch handles, people use to cut half-inch copper pipe because you don't want to run a hacksaw on this or a sawzall all the time, or an angle grinder makes bad dust, so you don't want all that. So what I wanted to know is, if I use a pair of these and somehow extend the handles so I get more leverage, are they just going to shatter, or am I going to be able to cut these? And for $14 instead of 140 is the cheapest pair I can find. Safety glasses, just in case. Something to protect your eyes. As you can see, it actually works. So we're going to try it again. Okay, so who guessed it? That, in the comments down below, who guessed that this wouldn't work and that we were going to break these? I think it might have something to do with hitting them with a hammer rather than just having lots of leverage on it. If we had lots of leverage, I think maybe this would have worked. Hitting it with the hammer, I think, caused some of this wobble that we've got. Now, I'm curious that if we had to just put longer handles on it, if maybe it would have worked. Okay, so now we've got the leverage. That worked really well. Honestly, I think the part that I screwed up at was hitting it with a hammer. That's as far as I can get it. Seems to be a problem mounting it in a vise where it actually works. But we'll see if this works. That's still way better than cutting it with any other saw that I have. Still wearing safety glasses, by the way, because if something goes flying, you really don't want that in the eye. Oh yeah. I don't know how many miles I'm going to get out of this thing, but I really feel like if I hadn't have beat it with a hammer, I think it'd still be pretty good. I don't think we're putting too much force on it, really. Got another joint here we're going to get rid of. So compressing it doesn't. Yeah, guys, this is so good. Be mindful of your fingers, guys. Oh, that's so smooth. Oh, man. Oh, oh, oh. This is the way to do it, guys. $14 and then a pipe. And if you're doing scrapping, I'm sure that you can find yourself a pipe. This is just a 1/2 inch, 36-inch long gas pipe. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It works. It works really well. I'll have to keep you guys updated whether or not this works super well. I have a feeling that these would still be cutting very straight if it weren't for the fact that I was beating them with a hammer. You need a vise that's mounted somewhere solid. This is my vise stand that's on an old drill press table, and then a pipe. And then just cut the handles off of one of these cheapo wire cutters, and make sure that you're wearing safety glasses. This is an awesome way, super fast to process this copper pipe. Probably wouldn't work for anything bigger than 1/2 inch. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything you want to see in the future, drop a comment down below. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.